In Lab 3, we're going to install IBM Log Analysis with LogDNA, giving us cloud-native log management capabilities. First, go to your IBM Cloud catalog, and in the Observability section, provision IBM Cloud Log Analysis with LogDNA. Click on Create New Instance, and select the pricing plan. For this exercise, we're going to use the Light plan. We're going to select the same region where our lab is deployed, in this case, Dallas. Click on Create. Your instance is going to be provisioned and a key will be created for it. Once your instance is provisioned, click on View LogDNA to open the dashboard. The next step is to install the LogDNA agent in our OpenShift cluster. In the logging section, for LogDNA, click on Edit Log Sources and select OpenShift. Copy-paste the information into a terminal. We're creating a new project called IBM Observe. Create a service account in the cluster namespace. This will allow the external service to access OpenShift. Grant the service account access to the privileged SCC. There we go. Add a secret. And install the OpenShift event set. Click View LogDNA to launch the LogDNA UI. It might take a couple of minutes for you to see logs. Let's look at LogDNA. As you can see, we are already streaming log files. We can take a look at all applications, for example, Calico node, cluster monitoring operator, Prometheus, all sources. As you can see here, we have various sources that are streaming log files or specific tags.